welcome to Waterwise Botanicals, located in Bonsall, California. Located in North San Diego County, Waterwise Botanicals is more than a nursery and welcomes both homeowners and the landscape trade industry. They have acres of beautiful nursery and growing grounds, including demonstration gardens, ponds, and a shade house full of creative treasures to inspire. The day of filming happened to be Free Succulent Saturday, where every adult receives a free pre-selected succulent, one per adult while supplies last. And every kid will receive a free DIY craft kit, one per child while supplies last. There are also over 30 vendors selling all kinds of artisanal goods. If you're enjoying the content, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons and turn on those notification bells so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. And this is where you choose your free succulent.
Salsa? That was bomb, huh?
Three seconds, it won't hurt your fingers. Get down to that little root, toss it into whatever you're cooking. Some sort of brush. Brush it right into your rubs, marinade.
We were there just in time for feeding. There are 2 ponds with fish and turtles. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Waterwise Botanicals in Bonsall, California.